Hi Mini Masters, welcome to the August 19th video for a day at the beach. Today we're going to be making a quick little craft. I'm going to be showing you how to make a fun little paper plate seashell. So you want to take a paper plate, you need a paper plate and you need some watercolors and some paint brushes or paintbrush, and then maybe a blue marker or any color of marker if you want. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to draw kind of a seashell shape on our paper plate. We want the side with the ridges facing up. So the kind of the one that I have here is called the scalloped seashell. So these are the scalloped edges here. So I kind of made a little move over here and over here, and then what you do with some guidance from mom or dad is you cut out these sides here, and what you get is a little seashell shape here. So seashells have little ridges on them that you can see when you pick them out of the ocean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my marker. You can also use a crayon. Crayons work excellent for this as well. I'm going to draw some lines on my seashell. I'm going to draw the little ridges that you see on your seashell. You don't have to do this. If you want to draw circles or squiggly lines, you can do that as well. You don't have to do the same thing that I'm doing with this. I'm going to try to make I'm going to go out this way too. Very simple, very easy. Maybe I'll connect those. There we go. There's the little lines of my seashell. So now I'm going to paint my shell, and normally when you see a shell on the beach, they're very natural colors, so white, maybe some tans and browns, but what I'm going to do is go a little crazy and color this any way that I want. So I'm going to use blues and purples. I'm going to just go crazy. So you want to make sure that you don't get too much paint on your paintbrush. You don't want to get too much water in there either. The more paint you have, the darker the color will be, but the more water you have, the lighter the color and the more watery it will be. That's what I mean. It is watercolor, so you just have to make sure that you let it dry. And you make sure, and you can go like this and blend it on your paper, and it kind of blends with your marker as well. Watercolor is my favorite to use. Okay, so let's finish up. Ooh, it gets kind of a muddy color there. I didn't rinse out my brush all the way. That's okay. It looks kind of nice, actually. Okay, now I'm going to go to the bottom here. How about a little bit of orange? Ooh, that's kind of a fun color. See, it's kind of mixing a little bit with my marker and making a whole different color. And you want to make sure you use a fairly clean brush. I might not have a totally clean brush, but that's okay. You still get the idea of what we're doing. Okay, ta-da! So now once you've got your whole thing finished, you want to make sure that you put this aside to dry. And when it fully dries, you can even go over it a little bit more and make more designs. So you can leave it like this, nice and pretty. Or you can come back through with some more markers and maybe draw something on it. Or you can put stickers on it, you can decorate it, you can leave it how it is. However you want to make your paper plate scalloped seashell. But it's very quick and very simple, fun little seashell. And you see how some of the markers are bleeding a little bit when it gets wet? That's okay to do too. It just adds to the beauty of the seashell. So there you have it, a fun little seashell you can have at home. Thanks for coming, Mini Masters. Bye.